Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you happen to be new, we are grateful you are here. Today we're going to be taking it old school on our videos, and we're going to be doing more of a vlog style, talking to the camera style video today because it's an important day here on the channel. Big changes are coming. We have to first address something so you understand why this change is happening. We'll get into that. A little lead into that is during the week of Christmas and New Year's this year, or this last year, right? So 3 months ago, I became extremely ill. I was ill with COVID, and there was tragedy that occurred that I have yet to address, but we'll get into that in a minute. But today it's going to be an epic video. We're going to be surprising Brenton slash Finatic with some fish from our fish room. So what I need from you guys is I need you to pay attention. If you watch Brenton's channel, I need you to pay attention and make sure he's fully taking care of these fish. If he's not, you need to come back and let me know so I can go steal him from him. Anyway, with that guys, hey, let's get into this video. Now it's a little loud in here, but I've got most of the water drained out of this indoor pond. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the power to this and get the filtration to stop. Okay, so we now have this completely turned down, and we're gonna go ahead and get some water in this 5-gallon bucket. Okay, so we got this bucket filled up for now. We may need a little more water here in a minute, but now it's time to catch the fish out of this pond. So we got fish number one, and this is a fish you actually haven't even seen yet. I haven't even put this on camera yet, but you'll see him when he gets to Brenton's. And fish number two is a fish you've seen. And that is our featherfin squeaker catfish. So there they are. We'll take a look at those when we get outside. Look at how beautiful that Rio Grande cichlid is, and we're giving him to Brenton. Alright guys, well we are here at Brenton's and we have our essentials here. Some quick start and some stress coat to make sure that this tank is safe for these fish that we're giving Brenton. Last thing we want to do is just give them to him and let him kill them immediately. Let's make sure we do this right. It's not sponsored by Monster, but yeah, let me grab my Monster because anytime you deal with Brenton, you have to have some sort of mind-altering substance. Oh look, here he is. Brenton!
Hi sir, what is that?
It's my Monster.
Think?
Yeah, have you not ever had it? You can have a drink of it.
Oh, it smells good.
I know you don't have like, well, you may have herpes.
It's really good.
It's really good. I got you a surprise.
Did?
Yeah, a couple of surprises actually. Brought you some sponsored material.
Of course you brought me some sponsored material.
And I brought you some fish. Some big fish.
Like
big fish.
Fish or like
no,
fish?
we're gonna fix your tank today.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, go.
Would you take a gander?
Take a gander.
Take a gander.
I cannot believe I am in the presence of master fish keeper Brenton Zeckley.
Been doing it for years. We're witnessing greatness right now. That's a lie.
I think everybody just laughed at that too. This tank is actually looking pretty good though. We got it down like we're about 60%.
I need plants.
I'm sorry, what? Brenton needs plants? Okay, well, let's talk about where he can get plants. Freshwaterscrub.com. Use the code Brenton for 10% off your entire order. That includes plants, tools, sponge filters, everything that we sell at freshwaterscrub.com. And we just restocked all of our plants. We have all kinds of new plants. We have crypt packs, we have Anubias packs, all kinds of stem plants, swords, everything you could possibly need for your freshwater aquarium. So make sure you check out freshwaterscrub.com and use the code Brenton for 10% off. And in fact, if you use the code Brenton for 10% off, every person that uses that code will get a phone call from me and Brenton if you care to hear from us.
Or do you know what I do need?
I bet you can't guess where we could do that too. I wonder if we should go and check out all the plant selection.
That Petco, they got a big one. I'm so sorry.
We should go check out the plant selection at freshwaterscrub.com. Brenton.
Yes.
I'm gonna change this from suck to blow.
Okay.
Okay? Make sure it stays in the tank.
Okay.
Ready? Alright, it's been changed to suck to blow.
Okay.
Suck to blow, it's coming. Hey Brenton, in the tank! Wait! Brenton, it's supposed to be in the tank!
There's water everywhere. Okay, let me move this.
Oh my god, you better hope your mom doesn't come in here.
Let me roll this up. I'm not rolling it up, I'm throwing it out the window. That window has a screen on it. This window,
fine. Yeah, it's a...
Oh, I think I just broke my leg.
Oh, what an idiot. You're disturbing the substrate. Can I tell you how to properly do that?
Yeah, sorry, I was just a little
preoccupied.
Yeah.
Let me come in. We'll give Brenton the benefit of the doubt, since he's not a fish keeper anymore, that he doesn't actually know how to use one of these. Now it keeps the substrate from flowing around. See that, how that worked? That was great,
I liked it when the substrate was flowing around.
That poor pleco has sand on his head.
Shoots a huge shot over your stomach.
Yeah, because of me too. I'm gonna get up, and when you finish your you know, your modeling photo shoot, we probably should go ahead and doctor this tank with some API stress coat plus, so all these fish don't die.
Yes.
Yeah.
We need to do that.
Yeah.
I don't think you can keep that in.
What's on me? What's on me?
Oh, that is a dude, look at how small that thing is.
Bro.
Look at it. It's like tiny. Look at that. It's a jumping spider. Did you see him jump out the window?
Yeah,
like, wow. Look at you. You're muddy. Like, can you hurry up? We gotta put these fish in here. They're gonna die. Come on. Just wash off. Let's go. Brenton is literally washing off in the pond. Before we get into putting these fish in here, I need to tell you something. I have really bad news.
What?
Somebody has passed away. Somebody really important has passed away.
A person?
It doesn't matter, but just know you're really helping out by taking these fish.
Okay.
So it's actually helping me more than it's helping you.
Okay.
I can't tell you who yet, but you'll see it.
Okay.
My next video, it'll be in there.
Okay.
It's a big time deal. You're gonna be sad.
Yeah,
I don't want to make you sad now, but
well, I'm kind of like interested, but
right now.
somebody died. You said somebody, so I
well, it's a
know.
body that someone. She had a name anyway, but somebody is dead. So we'll talk about that later. Guys, I have some really bad news, and this is not even like I don't even know what to do. Like this is I don't know how my week can get any worse. But I have been first off not posting because I've had COVID, and this is the second time I've had COVID, and by far this is the worst experience of my entire life. I've spent 4+ days with 104 fever, and it is terrible. But I've been staying on top of keeping and taking care of my fish because I didn't want anything bad to happen. So my question is can fish get COVID? Because I am like heartbroken, honestly heartbroken, because my absolute favorite fish has died, and she was fine yesterday, completely fine. And look, I mean, I cannot believe this. I don't even know what to say, but I have to get her out of here, and I have to go bury her. She's gone. She's gone.
Come here. Come here.
This one is epic.
whoa.
I love this one. This is the one nobody has seen.
This is the baby girl.
And look at how pretty it is.
Oh my gosh. Hi. Let's go. Into your new home.
His name is Carlos.
Carlos? Oh, okay.
And Carlos is a Rio Grande cichlid, or better known as a Texas cichlid.
Unfortunately, my electric catfish may paralyze Carlos. Okay.
But do you know that that is the only native cichlid to all of the United States?
I did not know that.
And it's found in the Rio Grande River in South Texas?
I know this guy. Is this the original?
That is the original gangster. In fact, do you know that we bought this fish together
We did.
at Fish and Chirps in Denton?
We bought this so long ago, bro.
Like 3 years ago. In fact, that was one of the original fish in the 100-gallon. He's called a...
We bought...
Yeah.
Oh!
He's called a featherfin squeaker catfish.
We bought this thing.
Oh
I caught him.
that was dope.
Wow, get him in the tank, please, before you kill him.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, well, the featherfin catfish was in here for all of about 3 seconds before he leaned up against the electric catfish, and the electric catfish shocked him. And we had to take him out, and Brenton had to give him mouth to mouth.
Did have to get him out.
Which is Brenton's favorite thing to do, right? Are you happy with the fish though, Brenton?
No, I could be happier, but it's okay.
Dude, I cannot tell you the last time I saw this tank this clean.
Maybe like a month or two ago?
I'm thinking more like 2 years ago when we moved it through your window.
John needs another fish.
What it needs is, I'll come back in like a week and we'll plant it, the whole thing. The pond is now empty and has been shut down permanently. And I want to take a minute, flash back, and remember some of the good times of this indoor pond. But let's take a look at that. Brenton just showed up. I still don't know what's going on here, but I put the net on like you asked.
Oh yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Like, what could you possibly have it?
Okay. Really big. Yeah.
Where did you get that thing?
My fish tank. I don't know how I survived the car right here.
Hold on. This came out of your tank?
Yeah.
Why are you giving me this fish out of your tank?
Because I got a fish and it needs the tank more than these fish.
So you're
breathe.
You're giving me your arowana?
Yes, yes.
Do you want to lip it?
Yeah, I'll lip it.
You're gonna lip it?
I can lip it, yeah. Good.
Now I understand why I needed a net on the pond. Okay, well let's put this thing in here. I mean, I'm not doing anything. I mean, Brenton's about to net it. Or hand. Whoa! Whoa! All right, we'll hold him tight. And you got him. And
oh, that's literally the same temp.
Will he bite me if I poke my finger in there?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
Yeah, yes.
So as you can see, we had all kinds of great times with this pond. All kinds of fish went in there. And we've had a great time with it. But with everything that's gone on, it's now time to break this thing down and turn it into something new. So I need comments from you guys. Let me know what you think we should do with it. I have a plan for it. I'm not gonna tell you what that is yet. Just know that it's epic and you guys are gonna love it, but who can guess what we're gonna do with it? So comment down below what you think this pond is gonna become. It's gonna be a pond, it's gonna have fish in it, but let me know what you think. All right guys, before we get out of here, let's take a look at a couple of things that we've done here in the recent weeks. Starting with what's right behind this camera. And look at that. That's our little metallic betta that we set up in this epic waterfall tank. He is doing fantastic. Oh my gosh, look. There's one of our guppies in this heavily planted tank. Look at that guppy. That thing looks amazing. We got another one right up here. Look at that guppy. We got one of our little yellow shrimp, little blue shrimps down there. Some of our reds. And then over here we've got our orange shrimp, but all of the shrimp breeding tubs look fantastic. We're gonna do a full review of all of our breeding setups very soon, but right now I'm just giving you kind of an idea. Look at all of those springtails. Look at that. All of those isopods. Oh my goodness, we have so many isopods. Well, that thing is looking good. Look at this little terrarium that we set up. Look at this thing. That thing is growing in so nicely. Look at how thick that pony's foot is. It is like a forest in there. This thing is amazing. And look at that little fern that we have in there. Looking down here at this one. This was our Halloween terrarium, and this thing is looking fantastic. The plant growth in here is amazing. And you know what's so great about these terrariums? They're so low maintenance. I literally don't have to do really anything other than just trim it and make sure that there's enough water in the drainage layer, and this thing just is self-contained. It's amazing, it's fantastic, and I love terrariums. In fact, new terrarium build coming up soon to house our little baby vampire crabs that are in this bin right here. We're not gonna take a look at these today because the video is coming up on these guys real soon, so stay tuned for that. Well, with that guys, hopefully you went on to enjoy this video, and hopefully you're enjoying the content. I really am grateful that you guys come back to check out all my videos. Thank you so very much. And if you haven't subscribed and turned on your notification bell, make sure you do that, as well as follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links to both are down in the description. Make sure you visit freshwaterscrub.com and use the code for 10% off your entire order. And with that guys, hey, we will see you next time.